Hello and welcome back to my blog. Namaskar, rise hokolukai. So, etia badise sare dinta and we are ready to go to Assam. So, exciting vlogs are coming. So, from today onwards, today is 1st of December and we are moving from Madanampalli till Biswanath Chariali, that is my hometown. Please watch how we are going from Madanampalli to Bangalore, Bangalore to Kolkata, Kolkata to Holongi Airport, that belongs to Arunachal Pradesh. Then from there, I will move towards Biswanath Chariali, that is in Assam. So let's go. We are very excited. So let's go. So 15 dinor pra almost 15 days before we were being preparing to go. So today we are moving from here to Assam, and it's always very exciting whether we're going for one day or 1 week. It's always very exciting to go to our hometown. So yeah, we are very excited. Now let's hop onto the journey and let's meet you guys in the car. Let's go. So the journey has been started and it was rainy, a little rainy because it was drizzling, and we have crossed the border of Andhra Pradesh. It takes around 2 hours, sometimes it takes around more than 2 hours, sometimes because based on the traffic. But the total distance is 115 or 115 from Madanampalli to Kempegowda International Airport, and that's each cross where we need to take the right turn for airport. So এই ৰাতিপুৱা বৰগীত শুনি গোটেই ৰাস্তাটো পাৰ কৰিলোঁ। তেনেকৈ আহি আমি ভাল পাওঁ একচুৱেলি। ৰাসৰ এৰেঞ্জমেণ্ট দেই ইয়াতে কৰিছে। অ' আয়াপ্পা স্বামী। চ' যেতিয়া আমি বেংগলোৰলৈ আহি থাকোঁ, মেক্সিমাম টাইম দেখি পাওঁ যে এনেকৈ লাইট জ্বলাই পেলাই কিবা খেতি কৰে, কিন্তু আমি নাজানো এইটো কি খেতি কৰে। এণ্ড এজ ইউ ন' এয়াৰপৰ্ট ফুড ইজ টু কষ্টলি, চ' উই হেড one idli. So now we are heading towards our destination, that is airport. বেংগলোৰ এয়াৰপৰ্টলৈ সোমাই যোৱাৰ পাছত আপোনাৰ অলপমান ডিষ্টেঞ্চ থাকে এয়াৰপৰ্ট পাবৰ কাৰণে, বাট গোটেই ৰাস্তাটো ইমানেই ধুনীয়া আছে আপোনাৰ কেতিয়াও ব'ৰ নালাগিব এইটো ৰাস্তাত গৈ পেলাই। এণ্ড এয়া চাওকচোন, মেট্ৰ' বনাই আছে তেওঁলোকে। মেট্ৰ' কমপ্লিট হ'লেতো আৰু বেছি ইজি হৈ যাব টু এক্সেছ এয়াৰপৰ্ট। চ' দ্য ৱেডাৰ এণ্ড দ্য ৰোড এণ্ড দেৰ ইজ ন' ট্ৰাফিক, চ' ইট ৱাজ আৰ্লি মৰ্ণিং ফ্লাইট এণ্ড ইট ৱাজ ট'টেলি ৱৰ্থ ইট। চ' মেবি আমাৰ টোপনি লাগি আছিলে, বাট টোপনি ভালকৈ কমপ্লিট কৰিব নোৱাৰিলোঁ, তেনেকৈ আহিছোঁ। বাট ইট ৱাজ ৱৰ্থ ইট ৱাজ ৱৰ্থ গোয়িং ইন দ্য মৰ্নিং। Now we are heading towards Terminal 1, and also we have to park our car here so that while returning we don't have to wait for taxi, because we always come late at the night. So return flight always we take in the evening so that we can reach Bangalore at night, and from the next day onwards we start going for college. That was our job. So yeah, we are heading towards the parking area. This is the parking lot where we have kept our car, and now we'll move towards the airport. চ' ইমান ধুনীয়া লাগিছিলে সেইদিনাখন মৰ্ণিং এয়াৰপৰ্টৰ যিটো ভিউ, আৰু ইমান ধুনীয়া ৱেডাৰ, আৰু আমাৰ মানে মনটো এনেই ভাল লাগি গৈছিলে যে বিকজ ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ অল উই আৰ গোয়িং টু হোম, দেটছ দ্য এক্সাইটিং থিং। ছেকেণ্ড থিং দ্য ৱেডাৰ, থাৰ্ড থিং দ্য এয়াৰপৰ্ট, এণ্ড ফ'ৰ্থ থিং দেৰ ৱাজ ন' ট্ৰাফিক এট অল। চ' আমাৰ ঘৰ যোৱাৰ এক্সাইটমেণ্টত ভোক পিয়াহ একো নলগা হৈছে। আমি ইডলিও এটা খালোঁ। চ' এতিয়া আমি ভাবি আছোঁ যে 12:30 বজাত আমি অলমষ্ট আকৌ কলকাতাৰ পৰা ফ্লাইট আছে। দেন এগেইন উই হেভ টু ৰিচ ইটানগৰ, ফ্ৰম ইটানগৰ এগেইন উই হেভ টু গো টু বিশ্বনাথ চাৰিআলি, এণ্ড হোৱাট উইল হেপেন টু আৱাৰ hungry stomach. So that's what we are talking in that time. So now we are heading towards, so the innovative camera angle was discovered by Drupajit Sharma. So and that's how this India flag was flowing. It was like awesome. By seeing the India flag, no, I don't know why I always get goosebumps So because we have reached a little early, because we have reached maybe 6 o'clock, and our flight was about to our flight was having boarding at 7:30, so we have to wait till then. We always come early. So we are about to leave Bangalore. So it was drizzling, so we thought my flight might get delayed, but it was not. So it took off at exact time, and we are very happy. But we were very sleepy, so when the flight took off, then I went to sleep. Like I was like, oh my god, I was sleepy like hell. So मैं तो सो गई, and ध्रुव नहीं सोया, वो बस 1 घंटा के लिए सोया, and उसी बात का लेके वही बोल रहा था कि मतलब मैं सोया नहीं, ये वो किसने मना किया था भाई. And the flight journey was so smooth because of only one thing, because I slept. So while I woke up, we have already reached Itanagar. So as you can see, oh no, that's Kolkata, because we had one layover, like 1 hour 25 minutes layover in Kolkata, because there was no direct flight to Itanagar Holongi airport. So that's very boring, and we have to hop onto the bus to go to the terminal. Then in the terminal the same thing is happening again. We have to go to security check, then we have to be at the long queue, and so now we are headed towards the departure transfer, where they have checked each and everything again, which we have done it in Bangalore airport already, but I don't know why they are doing it. And there was no separate queue for departure transfer. We just hop onto the regular queue, and it was total mess, and we are very angry at that time, but we were hungry as well, so we went to Pizza Hut and we had one pizza. So the again journey has been started from Kolkata to Holongi airport. So Holongi airport is newly constructed airport in Arunachal Pradesh, that's near to Gopur, which belongs to Assam. So from Gopur, Holongi airport is almost 20 minutes journey or 25 minutes journey. It's all about 19 kilometers maybe. As I am from Biswanath, Chariali, so it was very easy for me to go to Holongi airport. From there, Biswanath, Chariali is very near. And while the flight has been prepared for landing, as you can see, we have been greeted with the Himalayas, that is snow-capped mountain. That was mesmerizing. So the landscape has been changed. While we are coming from Bangalore, it was all big buildings and all, and now if you see, there is very small houses which can be seen from above, and there's lots and lots of greens over here, because population is less over here. So as you can see, the landscape has been changed, and it is pretty awesome over here. So we are about to land, so I am very excited to meet my niece. She might be also excited, I don't know. And we have landed. So my brother and my niece, which she's 3.5 years old, and it was a bumpy landing, I don't know why. So you will see my niece. I'll introduce you to my niece. She is the prettiest and soulful and joyous and many more. I love her so much. You will get to know her. So that is Holongi airport. It's a small cute airport, but because of this airport we have been very lucky, and also it was very convenient for us to reach our home, my home especially. Dhruva's home is near to Guwahati, so for him, if we are going to his home, so it's very easy for us to go to Guwahati. This time we are coming to Arunachal Pradesh actually, that you will see that too. So that's my niece.
চকলেট খাই হেৰি খাই বেবি পেট হাংৰি হৈ আছে বাবা
কি লাগে দেখা
কিন্ডা লাগে
এক লাগে
কিন্ডা
পাপুল এক লাগে
দুখ পাবা বহা
এক কোন আছে এক এক কোন
যে পেলে
জি হৈছে পাপুলে মাতিছে চোৱা বাবু জিউ থৈ দিয়া জিউ গিভ মি অৰেঞ্জ জিউ অৰেঞ্জ দিয়া দিয়া থেংক ইউ মই হেলে খাব লাগে আধাটো How pretty!
So from the morning till the evening, now it's 10:30 and we are thinking of going to Iraq. We are never tired, okay? We are never tired.
শ্ৰী মহাপ্ৰভু শ্ৰীকৃষ্ণ ৰাসলীলা চাবলৈ
That's how in Assam Rakhila has been celebrated. So people are enacting the stories of Lord Krishna's life. So and they enjoy a lot. This is always happen. Hey, আমি চাই মেলি লৈ আমি আকৌ ৰিটাৰ্ণ হ'লোঁ চ' ইয়াত আমি অকল পুতনা বজাৰলৈকে চাবলৈ পালোঁ বিকজ আৰু নোৱাৰিলোঁ আৰু ৰাতিপুৱা আপোনাৰ 3:30 বজাতে তাৰ পৰা জাৰ্ণি ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰা এণ্ড এতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ বডি ট্ৰেয়াৰ নাটানা হ'ল চ' we have seen till that Putana Bots and we came back home. Now we are heading towards home. So it's too cold at night and also it is 1:30 a.m. in the night. So what happened, we thought कि चलो कि चाय पी के जाते हैं और हम लोग को दिख गया ये पकौड़ा है नॉच अंकल जो बना रहे थे फ्रेश so and that's it. If you are watching till here, I'm very thankful to you. Please do let me know how you are thinking about what you're thinking about this vlog, and thank you so much, so much, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.